Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lily and we're here for yet another huge, this time, haul video. It will be numerous things I bought from different shops and I hope you will enjoy them as well as I did when I bought them. First of all, I want to say if you are not already subscribers of mine, please do hit the subscribe button. It's on your right hand side. It will be very helpful for me to have more subscribers and get to know you better and know what you think of my purchases and know what are your tastes in different items that we can all buy and actually include in our daily appearance and routine. So, yes, first of all, I want to thank all of you, of course, for being here. I want to thank all of you for your support. I want to thank all of you for having nice taste and so that I can see people outside and they look lovely. So, this is a great feeling to actually feel that there is class and taste around us. So yes, the first thing I got are a few items from Hondo Center, as you can see here, and I will show them one by one and tell you my opinion. The first thing I thought it was quite interesting is this bath milk. I have never bought it before. It costed 11 euros something, maybe around 12 euros. As I said, I have never bought it again. I don't know if it's a new product. It is new to me because I have not been to Hondo Center for quite some time, so I haven't seen it before, and I think I will include it in my daily shower routine or even to have a bath, and it will be lovely. So when I finish it, I will give you my honest opinion of what I thought, but it seems quite interesting and quite lovely. So yes, this is the first thing, and just remember today's whole theme is pink basically, and it's pastel colors. So yes, you will see a lot of pastel things. And the second thing I bought, it was this face mask. It says your gorgeous skin glowing. It costed 9.90, 10 euros. This is actually the most expensive mask I think I have ever bought, but I hope it will work well. I must say I use quite a few masks in my weekly or monthly routine, so yes, it is something that I strongly suggest to all of you because now I'm 45 years, so you can imagine that my skin is quite well preserved for my age. So yes, and masks are definitely a thing that boosts actually your face's appearance. So yes, do keep that in mind. And then another thing I bought from there that I actually wanted to buy is this lovely eyeshadow. It's from a new branch and I can't read the name because it's the code of safety there, but it costed around 18 euros, 17.90 I think, 17.80, around 18 euros, and it looks lovely. As you can see, it the whole theme of that branch is pastel colors, so if you are into pastels, definitely go and check it out at Hondo Center. But in any case, do check it out because it looks quite lovely. This is the first item I get from that branch, but I think it will worth it, and I'm also thinking if it works I'll also use it a little bit in my lips, but definitely for my eyes, of course, I will use it. And the final thing I got from Fondo Center, and I'm going to show you what they give you if you buy a few items, is this lovely white mask perfume oil. I have the perfume device so that they can change the air's scents, and I use it for quite a few years now, and this is because I'm running out of white mask. I bought this one and it was 3.30. And the final thing I'm going to show you what they give you some tissues and a pen for free. So yes, this was my Hondo Center thing. The second thing I want to show you is a lovely pastel pink jumper. It looks like this. It's pink. It's lovely. The detail is really lovely. The everything, all its detail looks lovely actually, and it was 20 euros, and it was from Pink Woman basically, as you can see, and the price you can see, and it is from the new series. So yes, if you are interested, do visit the Pink Woman shops. They look really lovely, as you can see, and it says Dreamers, and I love when they say it's something emotional and cute. So yes, this was it, and as I told you, today's video, the theme is pink in fact. So yes, you will see a few things that they are not pink, but everything is in that vibe. So yes. Another thing I got is this lovely turtle. As you can see, because I have not stuffy animals anymore in my bed because everything went for my kitten, so I wanted to have something and I bought this turtle. This was something that my dad used to love, and when I was a kitten I had two turtles as well. So yes, I am emotionally connected with it because it was, as I said, something that my father used to love. So it keeps his memory alive for me. Yes, so that's why I bought it. And now I'm going to show you the shoes I got from this Madame shoes and bags shop. This replaced the Morena shop in Rethymnon, and it's towards the end of Arkadiou Street. So if you're a tourist here or if you're a normal inhabitant, yes, do go and check them out because the prices were lovely. The first pair is this pair, and it says Morena Spain. You can see that they have taken the Morena stuff. And the sandals look like this. I have already worn them, that's why you can see this mark. But they were lovely. I can tell you they are very comfortable. They don't irritate your feet or anything. So yes. And the other two pairs I have not worn them yet, so you'll see them new. The first pair is those sandals in this green color, and I have not worn them, as I said, and I'm going to definitely use them a lot. And they were also €5. All of those were €5 out of €10 from initial price because it's the end of season basically, and they don't have many sizes left. They have only one pair per size, so yes. And the final pair I got from there are those lovely white sandals, so yes. And they look like this, and as I said, I have not worn them yet, so yeah. And and the final thing I'm going to show you is this supermarket small one item haul. It is from Papadakis. I want to show you where I get my Pellegrino from, something I love to drink and something I love to offer to special people as well. So yes, this is the Pellegrino. I used to love it, to have it with my coffee in Athens at Starbucks when I lived there at Kolonaki, of course. And it's something I still can find only in Papadakis supermarket, where you can find it opposite the National Bank of Greece, here in Crete in Rethymnon. And they look lovely and they cost €1 per bottle. So yes, this was my lovely haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a lovely time. Bye bye and take care.